Hello all you fellow bakers, I'm Riya Malik and welcome to my channel Baking Basics by the Pink Truck. Here we not only learn the basics of baking, we take those principles and make some delicious treats every single week. For this week's episode, we'll be making a vegan banana bread. Yes, vegan and yes, banana bread. I know we've heard it over and over again, but it's honestly soul food for me. It's something that I can eat at any time of the day. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you do, please like the video and please subscribe to the channel so we can keep continue on making these videos and come to see you every week. Hope you guys enjoy this. You're going to start off by lining a round 5-inch cake pan with a piece of parchment paper. Just cut the same size and keep it aside. We are going to need our walnuts, which have been roasted and then chopped. We're going to need 150 grams of really ripe bananas. Alright, so make sure they're very ripe. They'll start having that funky smell, and just mash them up and then weigh it out. We're going to need sugars, caster sugar and brown sugar. We're going to need vegetable oil. Again, this is vegan, so we're not using any dairy product. We're going to use 50-50 of almond flour and regular flour. This is 45 grams and this is 45 grams as well. We're going to need baking powder and baking soda, as well as vanilla and a dash of cinnamon. Now let's start baking. We are going to sift all our dry ingredients together. That goes the almond flour, that goes our regular flour. To this we're going to add in half a teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Just make sure you level this off. Alright, perfect. Now we're going to go in with a dash of cinnamon. You can add more if you like it, and then just sieve all of this together. You're going to see lumps, just make sure you press them out. Alright, so our dry ingredients are now ready. We are now going to combine all our wet ingredients together. We are going to start off with our pureed bananas. Put that in a bowl. Make sure you get every last bit of this. Then we are going to add in our sugars. Then we are going to go in with our vegetable oil. Make sure you scrape the bowl correctly. Again, baking is a science. We need to make sure the quantities remain as is and nothing gets left out in the bowl. Alright, to this we are going to add vanilla. Again, just a squirt. And then I'm going to take my whisk and I'm just going to combine this together. You only need to do this until it's all mixed together. Now we have our dry ingredients, and I'm just going to put this all in one go. There you go, and again just whisk this all together. You only need to whisk this until it's all combined. Do not overwork this because again we don't have eggs. Next we're going to take up our chopped walnuts, and I'm not going to add the entire walnuts. I'm just going to sprinkle half of this inside the batter and then just fold this. Great, perfect. Now I have taken my prepared cake pan and I'm just going to transfer the entire batter into this prepared cake pan. Now before we even started with weighing out our ingredients and making the cake, we made sure that our oven was preheated to 175 degrees Celsius. I am not quite sure what's it in terms of Fahrenheit. You could probably look that up. Alright, so the batter is ready. Just with the help of your spatula, just make sure it's even. With the remaining walnuts, we're just going to take it in our hand and sprinkle this on top of our cake. This looks really beautiful when the cake rises and you see these walnuts on top. Missed anything? Alright, so our cake is now ready to go to get baked. We are putting our cake in to bake at 180 degrees Celsius. This should take about 20 to 25 minutes to get baked. Okay guys, our cake is now ready. When you touch the surface, there should be a slight spring. That's when you know your cake is done. We are going to take a skewer and we are going to insert this right in the middle. It should come out clean with no batter on this. A few dry pieces of cake crumb, that's fine, but no liquid batter should be on it. Our cake is now ready. So that's it guys, that was our vegan banana bread recipe. I hope you guys enjoyed it and we'll definitely try and make this at home. It's delicious and so easy to put together. If you want to let us know what you want us to bake next, that was complicated. Please do let us know what you would like us to bake next in the comments below, and do subscribe to our channel so we can continue making more videos like this. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Until next time, stay safe, happy baking, and see ya!